describe Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences. This is a college of University of Delhi. Started functioning in 1995 from a school building in Pusa campus with almost 60 students and 3 courses of BSc General Nature. Today, the college has more than 1,000 students and imparting training in 8 BSc honors courses in various fields of applied and basic sciences. This is one of the 2 colleges of the University of Delhi totally dedicated to science courses. Also, it has the distinction of offering 8 science honors courses which no other college of the University of Delhi is offering. The college offers unique courses like polymer science, food technology, instrumentation, computer science, biomedical science, microbiology, etc. Besides this, the college has a library having more than 20,000 books containing rare books and very expensive books in the field of food technology, microbiology, polymer science and biomedical sciences. Besides academics, the college excels in various extracurricular activities. A very strong research group. 5 of the groups consisting of 3 teachers and 10 students each are engaged in innovation projects which were sponsored by the University of Delhi. In these projects, they have brought out new products, and one of the product has been filed for the patent. I have served in this college as principal for almost 6 years. My interaction with the students, my interaction with the teachers and the supporting staff has been excellent. The college has very bright students, dedicated students who are ready to take extra work, extra classes, extra thinking as far as academics goes, and they devote extra time in the college for sports and extracurricular activities.
Welcome to the Department of Polymer Science of our college. The only college that provides this course is ours. Ours is a very well equipped polymer science laboratory. This is our instruments room.
This is an instrument for the processing of polymers, basically about the testing, their manufacturing and the word about what products to be manufactured here.
This is the extruder. All the plastic materials, basically polypropylene, polyethylene, all of these go into this, and they're fabricated into sheets.
Yes, the cooling chamber.
This is the cooling chamber. One of the most expensive and valuable instruments in our polymer laboratory is the FTIR spectrometer. It is used for the detection of unknown compounds and impurities in various polymeric as well as organic materials.
This is Department of Biomedical Sciences, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences में Our department is actually a multi-platform. We have many more instruments like the refrigerator where -20 and -40, -4 every refrigerator for storing the cells. And we also have laminar hoods and UV spectrometer, gel electrophoresis, gel dog machines, everything. Our lab is very sophisticated when it comes to machines and instruments. We have various instruments ranging from the old and the new. Instruments of various sizes which fit into them. These are the chemicals which we put here. They have been arranged alphabetically, and in the alphabetical order we have like the benzoic acid, all the broth, all the media, all the everything else we can take it from here.
This is the Department of Physics of Bhaskaracharya College, and we have 2 labs. You can see the student is doing experiment of finding Hall coefficient. In the dark room, we have mainly experiments for optics. This is a particular experiment for Fresnel biprism, where we take the interference fringes using a Fresnel biprism. And these are the ballistic galvanometers, and again we have many spectrometers and many ballistic galvanometers.
Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, University of Delhi is very unique in all its courses. The Food Technology Department here is again a very special course mainly because it is the only college here which has a pilot plant of its own, which is very rare in the entire country. And in this pilot plant there is this milk pasteurization unit which the college has, and there is there's no other college which actually has a milk pasteurization unit of its own for the students.
Today we are making ice cream in our lab. We have already kept the mixture of ice cream in the freezer for half set. Now we are mixing the cream so that we can add the ice cream mixture to it and we can freeze the ice cream.
Good about our college is that it helps the students to come up with variety of new techniques. For example, there is this new product development, and we have a variety of range of new products here developed by the students of second and third years. For example, if we take this Chiku Crunch Kulfi, how many of us have actually seen a kulfi flavor with the Chiku? The flavor of the fruit, it gives us the goodness of fruit, the taste of kulfi, an amazing dessert. Again, we can take up sweet potato spread. Like we have cheese spread, we have this, the good quality carbohydrate, less fat, no preservatives, good for health and amazing taste.
जो बायोलॉजी है उसमें हम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, तो उसके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं जैसे बॉटनी, जूलॉजी वगैरह। तो एक है हमारे पास माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, इसमें हम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में टोटल इन्फॉर्मेशन की, उनका मेटाबॉलिज्म कैसे वगैरह, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ उनका हमारे ऊपर क्या यूज़ है, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव यूज़ दोनों।
This is our instrumentation lab. Students are performing practical over here. Here you can see a strain gauge strainer.
दिसंबर 2012 में हमने 5th साइंस नेशनल साइंस कॉन्क्लेव अटेंड किया। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे ये हर साल जर्मनी में होता है और भारत में ये IIIT इलाहाबाद में हो रहा है, जो पिछले साल 5वां था, दिसंबर 2012 में। यहाँ दुनिया भर के जितने भी साइंस के फील्ड में नोबेल प्राइज विनर्स हैं वो आते हैं और अपने रिसर्च के बारे में बताते हैं, प्लस साथ ही आपको ये हिदायत देते हैं कि आप कैसे पढ़ाई करें, रिसर्च के फील्ड में आप कैसे जाएं।
This is our electronics lab, and we can find different instruments present here. Like this is a single phase induction motor, and this is a power supply. This is a potentiometer. These are all electronic instruments, and you can see a function generator here, and a cathode ray oscilloscope also. We move on to the IC setup. It checks the ICs whether they are passed or not. This is an optical instrument, and we can do various experiments related to this. This is a microprocessor, and we can execute different programs through running it on this device. And we can execute different functions also through the programmings we do.
This is the Department of Computer Science. Students are doing practicals over here. We have latest processors, operating systems, latest programming softwares. Our campus is fully Wi-Fi enabled.
The pattern is something like this. This is the intensity pattern, and this intensity pattern can be determined using this Cornus value. Now you see this length of this line from here to here. Okay, this end is fixed, and this end is moving according to the point on the screen. So basically,
the smaller processor will keep on getting the system. Alright. Along with that, you can attack the concept of priority. Okay?
We have more than 22,000 books. The college started in 1995, vis-a-vis the library also started in 1995. So we have a very good collection of all the science courses which are available in the college. A good collection of food technology books, polymer science books, microbiology books, etc., etc.
So this is the area basically for the students for casual reading. Students can take out the books from shelves and read leisurely here without getting them issued. The library is under CCTV camera surveillance.
It's been a great pleasure to be in such a college with good infrastructure.